So if you are a person who uploads videos or reels to your Facebook profile or your Facebook page and you are not able to upload videos, when you upload your videos, it is a blank screen or you're not able to change the thumbnail or whatever may be the problem, watch my video completely till the end, because after this video you are definitely going to be fixing the problem on your account and you are going to be able to upload videos or reels onto your page or profile again. So what exactly happened was, after I logged into my Meta Business Suite account, I was directed to this page on which you could see all your messages. And then obviously if you click on more, you get an option to post reel across pages. So you click on this option and then you are directed to this page to create a reel. Now, say supposing I upload a video. Say supposing this, I want to upload it on my Facebook page as a reel. You see, I get a blank screen out here. So normally when you upload a reel, okay, what happens is that no matter how long it is going to get uploaded, because now Facebook has integrated everything together. I mean, reels, long videos and everything. So in the past, it was like you could only upload reels to the reels section, right, which was for I think 90 seconds or something like that. But after the integration of long and short videos like on one platform, this was actually not happening. So as you could see, in the past couple of days, I was able to upload videos which was like for 5 minutes, 4 minutes, 2 minutes and stuff like that. So now all of a sudden I'm not able to upload a video which is like for like say maybe 4 minutes or 5 minutes. I'm not able to do that anymore. So then what I did was I connected with customer support. So I was like directed to the bot and the bot actually helped me troubleshooting the problem and stuff like that. So what I came to know was that this is not supposed to be happening. So I filed in a complaint and these guys are looking into the issue. But in the meantime, how would I upload videos? Because I'm a creator, I need to upload videos so that I get more exposure, right? What you could do is, as a solution to this problem, the first thing is obviously you speak with customer support and you tell them to fix this issue. No problem. You could do that. So to speak to customer support, you just get to this page and then you click on help and then you click on support and then you're going to get an option to speak to the bot out here, and then you have to provide details about what your problem is. Okay, you could write your message out here, whatever problem you're facing. If the bot cannot solve the issue, they're going to direct you to a live rep or a human to solve the problem. So my issue is still under investigation as to what is actually going on. Why am I not able to upload videos? Why am I not able to change the thumbnails out here, which I could earlier? So what you could do as an alternative is just go ahead and upload reels through the Facebook page. So you could just get to Facebook and start posting out here itself. Click on the option out here and then you could upload a video, okay, maybe a live video or whatever is through this option. Okay, so let's go ahead and see if I can upload a video from here directly. Okay, it's gone. Put in your description and then click on next and you get directed to this page. Out here you could put in reel title. Let's put in a title out here. Adding tags, it's totally on you if you want to add tags or no. I would suggest you go ahead and put like 4 or 5 tags, not more than that. So as you could see, you could now get a preview of the video that you have posted and you could see that this is mentioned as reels. Go ahead and edit the thumbnail. You click on this option. You could upload a thumbnail out here. Click on save. You want to change any of these settings out here, you could go ahead and do that. Once you're done, click on post. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any doubts or questions, do let me know in the comment section below. Or you could even send me an email. Take care, my friend.